everybody. So we are sitting here in Enderby at Sutherland's, just waiting for Brad and I think another buddy to show up. It's currently 20 after 7. Mark and Danny were out riding Boulder Mountain yesterday already, so I think that's what we're gonna do again today. The fresh snow was just unreal. Apparently it was really deep, so judging by the photos, I'd say that was correct. And yeah, so we're gonna be heading for Boulder Mountain Resort real shortly here. Alright, so I'm stuck over here thinking there's a couple of trees down here. It's kind of embarrassing because the cabin's right there. Good stuff. Oh, little rusty on the maneuvering skills here.
We all are.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay, so we made it above the Boulder cabin here. We're just kind of poking around. Obviously, conditions up top here are definitely a bit worse. The guys are just all down in this little spot here. Danny just got stuck down there.
Let's go.
Nice. So I came up here to throw the old GoPro on to carve around in here a bit and realize I can see the Revelstoke Dam from here. That is pretty cool. Gone. All right, so this is a sweet little area. The cabin is actually just like right over there. I was GoProing, ripping through the trees, but the GoPro did like GoPros do, and it died. So should almost get another battery for that thing. It dies a lot, but anyway. Yeah, this is just where I stopped. I'm not stuck or anything, but it's a nice place to hang out. Snow is super deep. It's awesome. It's been a good day. The arms and legs are starting to feel like noodles, but I think we're gonna start making our way down pretty soon here. So everybody's just kind of boondocking in the trees back behind me here. So, oh man, it's a good day. Subscribe.